Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel Good Health Guide, where we explore tips to live healthier, happier, and more energized lives. Today, I'm talking about something we all need more of: energy. If you've been feeling tired, sluggish, or low on motivation, it might not just be your busy schedule. There could be simple, everyday health mistakes stealing your energy. But don't worry, I'll help you spot them and, most importantly, show you how to fix them. Let's dive in. 1. Skipping breakfast. How many times have you skipped breakfast because you were in a rush? Skipping breakfast is one of the biggest energy zappers. When you wake up, your body has been fasting all night. It needs fuel to kickstart your metabolism and energy levels. By skipping this meal, you're running on empty, and your energy reserves quickly deplete. A balanced breakfast with eggs, toast, and fruit. Here's how to fix it. Start your day with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. For example, eggs on whole grain toast with avocado or oatmeal topped with nuts and fruits. These foods release energy slowly, keeping you fueled all morning. 2. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration is a sneaky energy drainer. Even mild dehydration can leave you feeling tired and unfocused. Unfortunately, many of us reach for coffee, energy drinks, or sugary beverages instead of plain water. To fix this, carry a water bottle with you throughout the day and aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water. If plain water feels boring, add a slice of lemon, cucumber, or mint for extra flavor. Staying hydrated keeps your energy levels up and your mind sharp. 3. Relying too much on caffeine. Let's talk about caffeine. While your morning coffee can give you a quick energy boost, relying on it too much can backfire. Consuming excessive caffeine leads to energy crashes, disrupted sleep, and even increased anxiety. Instead of multiple cups of coffee, try to limit your caffeine intake to 1 or 2 cups a day, ideally before noon. For an afternoon pick-me-up, switch to green tea or herbal teas. They provide a gentler boost without the crash. 4. Lack of movement. Sitting for long hours, whether at work or home, reduces blood circulation, which means less oxygen and nutrients are reaching your cells. This can make you feel tired and sluggish. The fix is simple. Move more. Get up every hour, stretch, or take a quick walk. Even a 5-minute movement break can work wonders for your energy levels. If possible, incorporate 30 minutes of moderate exercise like walking, cycling, or yoga into your daily routine. Exercise is a natural energy booster. 5. Consuming too much sugar. Craving something sweet? While sugary snacks provide a quick burst of energy, they're followed by a rapid crash. This roller coaster of blood sugar levels leaves you feeling even more tired than before. Instead of sugary snacks, go for protein-rich or fiber-packed options like nuts. By avoiding these common health mistakes, you'll be well on your way to feeling more energized and productive every day. Remember, small, consistent changes can have a big impact on your health and energy. Let me know in the comments which mistake you'll tackle first, or if you have any additional tips to share. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.